What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to unbox a beautiful and awesome motor. Now let's unbox it. Here it is, Cordova Research. Whoa, here you can see this is the 1440 2000 kV, and this is a 8mm shaft, but this is not a dish shaft, so maybe I should make it by myself. Now let's compare to the Surpass Hobbies 1492 motors. You can see the Cordova's is a little bit longer, and you can see the diameter, and it is a little bit shorter. The motor wires are so short. This is the normal length. $37. It's not 36. It's 37. And the length 101.15 millimeters long. Now let's weigh this motor. 523.9 grams. Now let's see the 4992. This motor is 450 grams, a little bit lighter than this motor. Wow, the shaft is so long, here you can see. And this motor, our Team OE maybe put it on a 1/10 gear 4-tach and to break the world 1/10 record, maybe by this motor. Thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.